tell you about my Husqvarna technical apron chaps, otherwise known as chainsaw pants. So I will tell you, I trust my life to these things. I haven't been in an accident myself, but I've seen one happen, and these made the difference between losing a leg and having your pants get destroyed. So let's get into what makes these so fantastic. First of all, these will work for up to a 42-inch waist. They've got a nice little clip here, so you just have to bring it around behind you and adjust the strap, and you've got them done up. You can also see now that I'm turned around that you have your straps at the back, which means that you're going to be able to have a nice wide opening back here for your chainsaw boots as well, which is another very important safety thing to have on when you are using a chainsaw. These are made with 1000 Denier polyester. They are something that has a PVC coating, which helps them with their water resistance, but as well, it helps to make them cut resistant. This has the Tek Warp protective layers inside. So basically what that means is you have this woven outside part, and then inside here, you can see it's padded with layers and layers of fabric. Now that Tek Warp fabric works like this. When the chainsaw bounces off a log and hits your leg, the chainsaw teeth start digging into the fabric. Well, the fabric is designed to separate so that the fabric gets caught up in the teeth of the chainsaw and it cuts into the fabric and gets tangled there instead of getting tangled in your leg. So definitely a lifesaver in that way. As I said before, there's an adjustable waist up to 42 inches with this. I'm 5'6", and there's still room for you to be a taller person and put them on over top of boots. They are in the high vis orange color, which is quite great, and they have a couple handy pockets. This one here is a felling wedge or gear pocket, so you can put things in this way, but you can undo the snaps like this and get your tools out that way, which is pretty convenient, and then it just snaps up closed for easy access. As far as cleaning these things go, some people like their gear to stay clean, so you can use a mild detergent, never bleach, because that will affect the stability of the fabric, but you can use a mild detergent. Don't put them in the wash, but you can definitely hang them to dry once you've cleaned them off. It is something that will help to keep you safe while you are using your chainsaw, and they are actually really nice looking pants, high visibility for extra layers of safety. So if you're looking for a really great set of chainsaw chaps, these Husqvarna technical apron chaps are a family favorite at our house.